everybody. Today is a big day, one more step towards, being a man, I guess. And I just want to thank you all. It's just a day to celebrate, with Shannon and I and family and friends. So I'm really happy about today, and I just want to thank you all for coming out and supporting us and being here with us today. Nga pauan mea ke whakaya kuia kako le ainga ma ako woia wo mai mea mau. Yeah, whakai lava. From the bottom of my heart, me and Shannon.
Listen to me. There comes a time in a man's life when he's tired of the games, messing around. He needs a good woman to settle down. And